Okay, Jazz. Yep. Typically, I use dry pasta, but today I'm going to be using San Remo's fresh fettuccine.
Love that.
And I'm going to whip up a zesty prawn and green olive pasta for you. Cooks in 4 minutes.
Yep.
Happy days.
So that means we've got a 4-minute sauce?
Yeah, 4-minute sauce. All right, I got some prawns there that I need you to get going. Just chop into, like, I guess, ½ centimetre, bite-sized pieces.
Okay. These prawns are just gorgeous, aren't they? We've peeled them, deveined them. I keep the heads and the shells, pop them in the freezer and we'll make a stock out of them.
Oh, okay. I thought you were going to have a snack and eat some shells.
And it makes a great stock for another pasta another day, like a seafood marinara.
Ah, okay.
So I'm not wasting.
All right,
not wasting at all.
All right.
See?
You're full of knowledge there today. I like it.
I am full of knowledge.
Good.
All these little hints and tips.
Look, so we're starting off with our garlic into the pan with butter and olive oil, Jazz.
Yep.
So, you know, I guess this is like a garlic prawn beginning.
Very nice.
But better.
Yes.
Green chilli. Okay, if you're not a fan of chilli, you don't need to add this. But for me, I want that little bit of zestiness and that zing.
Yeah, and I mean, these long green chilies, they're not that hot.
Oh, you want to try some?
That's actually a really good tip. If you don't, every chili's different, and some are hotter than others. So just by having a taste, you can see exactly hot. That's
not a bit of taste. That's like just a little like.
It's sweet. It's got a little bit of heat to it. It's just right. Very good.
Good for me.
Yep. Which means you can add more, right? And the seeds.
Okay, in with the chilli.
Okay.
Prawns in too, please.
Prawns in.
Nice.
Oh, that combination of garlic, butter, and prawns, just the best.
But we are going to add some lemon zest and lemon juice, which is going to give that refreshing notes for the pasta dish.
Okay, I'll get the zest going.
Thank you. So, time to get our pasta into the water. The prawns will take probably 3 to 4 minutes to cook.
Yep.
Same time that our pasta is cooking.
Great.
So, grabbing your fresh pasta, just be gentle with it, yeah? Just be nice and soft. Drop it into the water.
Yep.
Now, I forgot to add some salt to my water, you know me.
Yep.
A bit of salt.
Very important.
Like so.
Yep.
Little tip. Stirring fresh pasta. Yes, you can get these wonderful tongs, yeah, with the little rubber ends.
Yep.
Or grab your spoon or ladle and just gently use the handle. Okay?
Oh, that's a great tip.
Yeah, it's just really caressing it, so I'm not breaking that fresh pasta. And our pasta dish is going to be amazing.
There's your zest.
Thank you, Jazz. I'll get that into the pan. Nice. Give that a little stir. Can you pick me some basil and mint while I cut these Sicilian olives in half?
Can do.
Just quickly, boom.
A little pop of saltiness there.
Yeah, and I like the green. You know, I'm thinking springtime here, Jazz. Yeah, a nice little spring recipe. Bit of sun and shining.
Lots of herbs. Do you have a herb garden?
I do, Jazz. All my little back garden, it's not very big at all. I have citrus trees and a whole heap of different herbs.
I think herbs are one of those things where sometimes you only need 3 or 4 sprigs, so planting them and just taking what you need is really handy.
Well, there's nothing better than going into your garden, picking fresh herbs, yeah, and putting it into your dish. Jazz, so I'm worried a little bit about our butter there, all right? So I'm just taking a splash of pasta water.
Yep. You worried it'll burn?
Yeah, I don't want it to caramelise and get that burnt flavour.
Yep.
That's good.
And you're just roughly chopping this or leaving it whole?
As is whole. Whole, Jazz. You can chop the parsley for me.
Yep.
I want these beautiful fresh flavours to go straight into the pan.
Okay. And stalks and all with the parsley.
Stalks and all, Jazz. That's the way to go. Nice. Throw that into the pan.
Okay.
Okay. Look at that. Our fresh fettuccine is ready, Jazz.
Looks great.
Look at the ribbons. I love this. This is really, again, talking about certain pasta shapes, long and short, working with sauces. This is perfect for an all'olio. So this is obviously a butter and oil-based type of pasta, and this is where the fresh works really good.
I love that. And you can see it's just a little bit thinner than a dried fettuccine.
Yeah.
Which, like you say, it's a little bit more delicate.
Now, lemon juice, just into there, straight in. Okay. Oh, you got the fancy. Typically in the kitchen, we get our hands, a couple of seeds get in there, you know.
I'm not as strong as you, so I need this sort of
right
help.
You've been working out?
Muscles.
That's it. Good to see.
I can tell when my lemons are not as juicy, I need a helping hand like this. It works. Look how much juice you're getting out.
Yeah, nice.
Done.
Really, really nice. I'll just grab some cracked pepper if we can.
Absolutely.
Just over the top. The smell.
It smells great.
What I love with the fresh pasta there, which as you can see, is obviously the sheen, yeah? It's just coating with the oil and the butter and the prawns. Oh.
And fettuccine can sometimes stick, and it's not sticking there because you gave it a really good mix in that boiling water and you made sure that you tossed it in that butter.
100%. Now, how hungry are you, Juz? Because I'm hungry.
Big plate, generous with pasta.
Nice.
Love the colours.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Spring.
Yeah. Spring on a plate, prawns, loads of herbs. I'm gonna dig in.
Slippery little sucker.
The pasta is so velvety, and you've got that tang. You've got lemon, chili, and then butter and prawns. Buonissimo.
Grazie.